is a festival that is intended to provide entertainment for the visitors to Umhlanga over the festive season. Essentially, we are a beach tourist destination. When people are here with their children, very often the children get a little bit bored spending a couple of weeks on the beach, and we attempt with our festival to keep them entertained. Stage activities are generally things like old favourites of musical chairs, hula hoop, etc., as well as a little bit of talent contests some years. Also provide entertainment from other artists, such as this year we have the young Black Mambazo. Kevin, who is our Master of Ceremony, is on the stage, and he's the man responsible for undertaking all of the kiddies activities, and indeed Kevin is the main organiser for the Miss Umhlanga competition, where he does a superb job. This year it's just seniors we are running, young ladies from the age of 15 onwards. We have a very high number of people trying to become the Miss Umhlanga. This year, a new activity that we've organised is the weight runs race. That's waiters from the local restaurants who come to do a race, and they want to be the top waiter. And it's not necessarily about holding a tray, it's about a whole wide range of things which they have to do in order to become the top waiter or waitress in the competition. Very exciting, great fun, but they have to be fit. A little bit like an obstacle course. And this year it has really been fantastically well. For the first year, it's really been fantastically well accepted.